If you need to send different respondents to different questions in SurveyMonkey, branching is one of the most useful features you can learn. It helps you create smarter surveys, improve the experience for your audience, and make sure people only see the questions that matter to them. In this video, I'll show you how to branch questions in SurveyMonkey step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and open the survey you want to edit. Once you're inside your survey, scroll to the question you want to branch from. This is the question that will decide where the respondent goes next. It could be a multiple choice question, a yes or no question, or any question where different answers should lead to different paths. After you've found the right question, look for the menu that appears for that question. From that menu, click Logic. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you control what happens after someone answers. Once the logic panel opens, you'll start setting up your rules. First, select the answer choice that should trigger the branch. For example, if someone selects yes, you can tell SurveyMonkey to send them one place, and if they select no, you can send them somewhere else. After choosing the answer, decide where you want the respondent to go next. You usually have a few options here. You can send them to the next question, jump them to a specific question, or even end the survey entirely. This makes it easy to build a custom flow based on the answers people give. For example, if someone answers yes, you might want them to go to question 5. If they answer no, you might want to skip ahead to question 10. That way, each person only sees the most relevant questions, and your survey stays shorter and more efficient. Once your logic rules are set the way you want, click Save Logic to confirm the changes. Saving is important because it applies the branching rule to your survey. After that, take a moment to review the flow and make sure your survey is going exactly where you expect it to go. Branching can make a huge difference in survey quality because it reduces confusion, prevents irrelevant questions, and helps you collect better data. It also makes your survey feel more personalized, which can improve response rates. So if you're creating surveys in SurveyMonkey, learning how to branch questions is definitely worth it. And that's it. You now know how to branch questions in SurveyMonkey. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.